just wanted to set up a little demo kind of explaining projectile motion and free fall just a little bit further. Perhaps you've been to a carnival and played one of those games where they basically, it's impossible to win, they're just really taking your money, but you could maybe win a giant stuffed animal. All right. Perhaps you've done one where you've had to shoot at a falling target. And so I have that set up here. I have a projectile launcher, and I have a target that will fall. And the question is, if you're at a carnival and you're playing a game where you're shooting at a falling target, this is not a horizontally moving target. This is just a target falling strictly under the influence of gravity. In order to hit the target, would you aim above the target, below the target, or would you aim at the target? Think of which one you would do. Save that in the back of your head for just a minute. Now, what I have done is I have aimed this straight at the target. It's got a little laser, but it's hard for you to see on the camera. I can't zoom in that far, but I have aimed straight at the target. I could aim above the target. I could have also aimed below the target, but in this instance, I am aimed straight at the target. So this setup has an electromagnet. So as soon as I pull this launcher, this will release, and so this will fire and this will drop at exactly the same time. Okay, that's important because if this falls first, obviously that would change things. What I'm going to do is we're going to see if aiming at the target works. If that doesn't work, we'll aim below, and we'll aim above. Let's see if this works. All right, ready? Aim. Fire. Hit it. Want to see it again? Okay, let's try this one more time. I got them locked in right between the eyes. Ready? Aim. Every time. So, if you're at the carnival playing one of those games where they're trying to rook you out of your money, now you know, you don't aim above the target, you don't aim below the target, you aim at the target. Because once the ball is launched from here, gravity acts on it just like it does when it is dropped from here, so everything falls at the same rate. Even though we're aiming up, and it goes up for a little while, gravity is still acting on it and pulling it down.